Class ninth. Good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? How's going your studies? The winters are increasing day by day, but study should be going on well. So now we have done complete yesterday the chapter 8 reach for the topics of part 1 that was about the Santosh Yadav, and today we will study now part 2, the tennis star in 2005, that's the Maria Sharapova. Let us start. A Russian girl, Maria Sharapova, reached the summit of the woman. As we will study, let us start the Maria Sharapova's part 2. Page number 104. Chapter name reads to the top. Part 2, Maria Sharapova. A Russian girl, Maria Sharapova, reached the summit of the women's tennis when she was barely 18. Russian girl है Sharapova. She reached the top of the women's Wimbledon tennis when she was rarely 18. मुश्किल से वो 18 years की होंगी. Let us see about their life history. There is something disarming about Maria Sharapova, something at odds with her ready smile and glamorous attire, and that something in her lifted her on Monday, 22nd of August 2005, to the world number 1 position in the women's tennis. See, there is something desire. It is very friendly story. It's making very suspicious, friendly with suspicions about the Maria Sharapova. Something at odds. It looks like so odd. Her ready smile and glamorous attire, her beautiful smile and wearing attractive and exciting clothes, beautiful dresses, and something in her lifted her on Monday, and something that's quickly she was become top star of the tennis world on Monday, 22nd of August 2005, to the world number 1 position in the women's tennis. She became वो नंबर 1 पोजीशन पे आ गई थी मंडे 22 अगस्त 2005 को वर्ल्ड की टेनिस विमेंस टेनिस पोजीशन में टॉप मोस्ट थी. All this happened in almost no time. How it's happened, she didn't understand, and that was very quickly, almost immediately. All this happened. She became very top star in a quick. वो बहुत जल्द ही एक सुपरस्टार बन गई थी. Poised beyond her years, the Siberian-born teenager took just 4 years as the professional to reach the pinnacle. Means poised beyond her years means more calm and confident, and in her age group girls, अपने एज ग्रुप के लोगों में वो इतनी काम, इतनी कॉन्फिडेंट, इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग विल पावर एंड इतनी कंट्रोल गर्ल थी. दैट इज सो द साइबेरियन बॉर्न दिस teenager girl took just 4 years. She took only 4 years to be a professional to reach the topmost point, top of the Wimbledon tennis. However, कैसे ये हुआ? The rapid ascent in the fiercely competitive world began 9 years before, with the level of the sacrifice few children would be prepared to the endure. However, how it's possible? The rapid ascent, it become very fast progress. She did very fast progress in a fiercely competitive. It was very strong. It was very competitive. Competitive जिसे हम कहें more successful than the others. The more competitive world began 9 years before with a level of sacrifice. He did a great sacrifices for this great success. A few children would be prepared to endure, and very rarely children be prepared for this type of sacrifices. Little Maria had not yet celebrated her 10th birthday. She was not completing 10th. She was not a 10 years old. This small girl, Maria Sharapova, had not celebrated her 10th birthday, means she was only 9 years old when she was packed off to train in the United States. When she was in a very small age, like 9 year, she sent off to the train of the When she was only 9 years old, she didn't complete her 10 years of the age. She sent to the USA. She sent to train in the USA. She sent to the USA by train. That trip to Florida with her father, Yuri, launched her to on path of the success and the stardom. This trip to the Florida, उनकी जो यात्रा थी फ्लोरिडा की, with her father Yuri, the father name was Yuri. With her father Yuri launched her, father Yuri made her, launched her on the path of success. फादर यूरी ने उनको सक्सेस के उस रास्ते पर लाके खड़ा किया था एंड प्रोवाइड द स्टारडम, और वो स्टारडम दिया था. बट इट ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड ए हार्ट रेटिंग 2 years सेपरेशन फ्रॉम हर मदर हेलेना. बट इट्स रियली वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग ऑफ सैडनेस, जिसे हम कहें हार्ट रेटिंग. इट वॉज रियली वेरी ग्रेट सैडनेस for a small girl who's just 9 years old and 2 years separation from her mother Yelena. But it's not easy. But it was not easy. It also required a heart rating. It required a very great sadness, very strong feeling of sadness. This 2 year separation from her mother. Mother name was Yelena. The latter was compelled. The latter was compelled to stay back in Siberia because वीज़ा रेस्ट्रिक्शंस. उनका वीज़ा रेडी नहीं होने की वजह से शी हैड टू स्टे इन साइबेरिया बिकॉज शी वॉज रेस्ट्रिक्ट टू गो यूएसए बिकॉज शी डिडेंट हैव द वीज़ा फॉर यूएसए. उनका यूएसए का वीज़ा रेडी नहीं था, इसलिए उन्हें रुकना पड़ा था साइबेरिया में. द 9-year-old गर्ल हैड ऑलरेडी लर्न एन इम्पॉर्टेंट लेसन इन लाइफ. हेयर शी लर्न अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन ऑफ लाइफ. यहीं से उन्होंने ज़िंदगी का पहला महत्वपूर्ण सबक सीख लिया था. दैट टेनिस एक्सीलेंस वुड ओनली बी कम एट ए प्राइस. वो ये कि टेनिस समिट कम एट ए वेरी हाई कॉस्ट. टेनिस का जो टॉप मोस्ट उन्हें मिला था, टेनिस स्टार जो बनी थी, दैट वाज नॉट ए वेरी इजीली. शी डिडंट बिकम वेरी इजीली ए टेनिस स्टार. शी प्रोवाइड ए ग्रेट सेक्रीफाइसेस ऑन द कॉस्ट ऑफ ग्रेट सेक्रीफाइसेस शी बिकेम द स्टार. बहुत बड़े त्याग के बाद वो एक स्टार बनी थी. So it was not easy. I used to be so lonely. Maria Sharapova recalls that I miss my mother terribly. My father was working as such as he could keep my tennis training going, so he couldn't see me either. I used to be so lonely. She feels very lonely because Maria Sharapova recalls means remember his memories. I miss my mother terribly. I miss my mother very greatly, deeply. When she left her mother in Siberia and she came to the USA to training of the tennis, she was very small age girl, only 9, and we can understand that she missed her mother very greatly, very deeply. Her father was working as such he could to earn for my training, and that's why she couldn't meet her. Her father was working very hard to earn money. उनके फादर बहुत हार्ड वर्क करते थे मनी अर्न करने के लिए. So he couldn't keep so that my टेनिस ट्रेनिंग रन सक्सेसफुली, ताकि मेरी टेनिस ट्रेनिंग जो है वो अच्छे से हो जाए. So he couldn't come to meet me. इसलिए वो उनसे मिलने नहीं आ पाते थे. Because I was so young. So young means very younger in age, very small age. Because I was in a small age, मैं बहुत छोटी थी. I used to go bed at 8 p.m. She was in very young age. Younger age means वो बहुत कम एज की थी. So she used to go bed at 8 p.m. She go to sleep at 8 p.m. Generally वो रात को 8 बजे सो जाया करती थी. But the other tennis pupils would come in at 11 p.m. and wake me up and order me to tidy up the room and clean it. But what happened there? It's not easy to spend the life without parents in the hostel. She is going to share the episode with us. That is, she was very small age girl and generally she sleeps at 8. But her senior player, the people of and generally she sleep at 8, and other tennis pupil, other tennis जो trainer थे, other जो trainees थे, would come at about near 11 p.m. and wake her up and order to her clean up the room and make an order and put the things properly and in a order and clean the room. Instead of letting that depress me, that not make me depressed, ये सब मुझे depress नहीं करते थे. In place of that allow me in gloomy mood, that's not make me depressed, इन सब से मुझे कोई depress नहीं होता था. Depress यानी bad feeling. I became more quite determined and mentally tough, and but it make me very strong mentality, or very जिसे कहें quietly determined, very strong in mind and mentally tough, very strong desire, very strong willpower की गर्ल इस चीज़ ने मुझे बनाया. I learned how to take care of myself. I learned how to take care of, she learned how to take care herself. वो समझ गई थी कि वो खुद की देखभाल किस तरह से कर सकती है. I never thought of quitting. She never thought of losing courage and quit the game, because I knew that I wanted what I wanted. She knew what she wanted. वो जानती थी उन्हें क्या चाहिए था. When you come from nothing and you have nothing, when you come from nothing, when you didn't have to lose, and when you have nothing and you didn't have to lose, जब ना तुम्हारे पास कुछ था ना तुम्हारे पास कुछ है, then it makes you very hungry and determined. Very good lines, very motivational lines of the chapter. That is when you had nothing, जब तुम्हारे पास कुछ नहीं था, and when you have nothing, और आज भी तुम्हारे पास कुछ नहीं है, that make you very hungry and determined, means you that's make you very, जिसे हम कहें पूर्ण समर्पित होते हैं, तब हम we are completely very crazy to get everything, and she became very determined, और वो बहुत ज़्यादा crazy और determined हो चुकी थी कुछ gain करने के लिए. So she didn't think to quit anything. तो वो कुछ भी चीज़ छोड़ने के लिए सोच ही नहीं सकती थी. I would have put up with much more humiliation and insult. I would have put up with much more humiliation and insult. She was ready to face much more embarrassment, humiliation, insult, embarrassment and insult, that to steadfast pursue my dream. And that make me determined to follow the determination, that make me completely steadfast, follow my dream, that make me very strong to follow my dream. और इस चीज़ ने मुझे और भी strong और determinate बनाया अपने dreams को complete करने के लिए. That toughness runs through Maria even today, and that toughness, that strong mind, that strongness runs through Maria even today. और आज भी Maria इतनी ही strong है. It was the key to her beginning. It was the key to her beginning in the women's singles crown at Wimbledon in 2004. That was the key to success in the Wimbledon 2004. यही उनकी सक्सेस का मंत्र था 2004 का. In her meteoric, in her very topmost rise in the world #1 spot in the following year. That was the greatness, toughness of the mind and determination in the nature is the great. It was the key to her success in the women singles crown at Wimbledon 2004. ये 2004 में जब वो उन्होंने टॉप मोस्ट पोजीशन गेन की, उसके पीछे सक्सेस की वजह यही थी उनकी स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग, उनका स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंड, एंड शी बिकेम द स्टार ऑफ द विंबलडन टेनिस वर्ल्ड. And now, while her journey from the frozen plains of the Siberia to the summit of the women's training has touched the hearts of Chinese fans, while her journey, तब उनकी जर्नी, जब उनकी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई फ्रॉम द फ्रोजन प्लेन्स जिसे हम कहें स्नो कवर्ड फील्ड्स ऑफ द साइबेरिया. वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड द साइबेरिया इज़ वेरी कोल्ड, जिसे हम कहें कोल्ड एरियाज में आता है. तो दैट्स द फ्रोजन प्लेन्स, जमे हुए क्षेत्र. फ्रोजन प्लेन्स यानी स्नो कवर्ड प्लेन्स से उनकी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई थी टू द टॉप ऑफ द विमेंस टेनिस वर्ल्ड की. एंड शी टच द हार्ट ऑफ द टेनिस फैन, एंड शी टच द हार्ट्स ऑफ टेनिस फैंस. उन्होंने लोगों के दिलों को छू लिया था. फॉर द यंगस्टर हरसेल्फ द अपीयर्स टू बी नो रूम फॉर द सेंटिमेंट, एंड शी वॉज वेरी यंगस्टर. For the youngster, who's the youngsters? For the Maria herself, their appearance, there appears to be there is no space in the life for the emotions. उसकी life में emotions के लिए कोई space नहीं था. The straight looks and the answer she gives when she asks about her ambition make it imply. The straight looks, she looked very straightforward, very directly, and answers very straightforward answers. And when asked about her ambition, make it imply clear that she considers the sacrifices was worth it. There was no place for the emotions, and she gives the every answer very directly and straightforward. It imply clear, it make the clear. She considers the sacrifice. वो अपने sacrifices के बारे में बात करती है. वह worth it, जो कि उनके लिए बहुत valuable थे. I'm very competitive. I'm very very competitive. उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा success की feeling थी. I'm very very competitive and she was the hungry for the success. I work hard, वो बहुत मेहनत करती थी. At what I do, जितना मैं कर सकती थी. It's my job और यही मेरा काम था. This is my मंत्र फॉर सक्सेस. और ये हार्ड वर्क ही उनके सक्सेस का मंत्र था, उनकी सफलता का मंत्र था. दो मारिया शारापोवा स्पीक्स विद ए प्रोनाउंस अमेरिकन एसेंट. अमेरिकन एसेंट जिसे कहें अमेरिकन लहजे में. शी टॉक विद अस, शी स्पीक्स विद अस in an American style. She proudly parodies. She proudly says, she proudly shows her Russian nationality कि वो रशियन की नागरिक हैं, वो रशियन नागरिकता रखती हैं. And clearing all the doubts, she makes the clear all type of doubts. वो सारे doubts को clear करती हुई कहती है. She says, वो कहती हैं I'm Russian, मैं रशियन हूँ. It's true, ये सच है. It's true that the US is a big part of my life. ये सच है कि United States play a big role in my life. कि हालांकि मैं रशियन हूँ बट सच ये है कि US ने मेरी लाइफ में एक बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले किया है. बट आई हैव रशियन सिटीजनशिप, लेकिन मेरे पास रशियन नागरिकता है. माई ब्लड इज़ टोटली रशियन, और मेरे जो खून है, मेरा ब्लड है, वो कम्प्लीटली रशियन है. आई विल प्ले द ओलंपिक्स फॉर रशिया इफ दे वॉन्ट मी. एंड शी वॉन्टेड टू प्ले द टेनिस फॉर द रशिया. वो टेनिस खेलना चाहती थी रशिया के लिए. लाइक एनी नंबर ऑफ द टीनेज सेंसेशन, मारिया शारापोवा लिस्ट फैशन, सिंगिंग, डांसिंग एज हर हॉबीज़. और जैसा कि टीनेजर्स की सेंसेशंस, अपने इमोशंस, अपने सक्सेसफुल पर्सन सेंसेशन, जैसे अदर टीनेज सक्सेसर्स जो होते हैं उन्हीं की तरह मारिया शारापोवा के भी शी हैज़ सम हॉबीज़. उनके भी कुछ शौक थे. लाइक फैशन, शी लाइक द फैशनेबल थिंग्स. सिंगिंग, शी लाइक सिंगिंग, डांसिंग as was her hobbies. And she loves reading the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. And she likes to read the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. वो Arthur Conan Doyle के novels पढ़ना like करती थी. Her fondness for sophisticated evenings gown, वो general fondness, वो शौकीन थी for sophisticated evening gowns पहनना उन्हें पसंद था. Appears at odds with her love of pancakes. And she likes pancakes, type of a dish with the chocolate spread and frizzy orange, with chocolate covered pancakes and frizzy orange drinks. She likes orange drinks. Maria Sharapova cannot be pigeonholed or categories. The Maria Sharapova cannot be जिसे हम कहें she cannot be a particular or categorized. उन्हें किसी भी particular categories में हम नहीं रख सकते. Her talent unwavering. Her talent was great, deep trust and desire to success and readiness to sacrifice. He was very hungry for the success. She was ready to do the hard work and succeed, and readiness to sacrifice. She was ready to sacrifice have lifted her to the top of the world. Her talent, उनकी जो प्रतिभा थी गेम की, wavering her, उसमें उनको deep belief था, a great deep trust था अपने आप में, and cannot be separate from the anything else. हम उन्हें किसी भी एक separate category में नहीं रख सकते. And she was unwavering desire to success. She has the great desire for the success and ready to make the sacrifices for it. और वो तैयार थी अपने त्याग और बलिदान के लिए. That lifted her to the top of the world. और इसी चीज़ ने उन्हें बनाया स्टार ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, नंबर 1 ऑफ द टेनिस वर्ल्ड. Few would grudge her the riches she is now reaping. Few would grudge, some persons are not satisfied with her, कुछ लोग उनसे संतोष नहीं थे, कुछ लोग उनके प्रति असंतोष था. Riches that she is not reaping, she is not getting, वो सही से नहीं कर रही. This what she has to say about her monetary gains from Chinese. This is what she has. She was very economic type of mentality. This is what she has to say about her monetary gains from tennis. और वो ये कहा जाता है कि वो पैसा कमाने के लिए टेनिस खेलती हैं. ऑफ कोर्स मनी इज ए मोटिवेशन, टेनिस इज ए बिजनेस एंड ए स्पोर्ट. बिल्कुल, मनी इज ए मोटिवेशन इन एवरीथिंग. मनी सबसे बड़ा मोटिवेशन होता है हर फील्ड में, चाहे वो गेम फील्ड हो चाहे अदर बिजनेस हो. बट टेनिस इज बिजनेस. फॉर हर टेनिस वॉज ए बिजनेस एंड ए स्पोर्ट. और उसके संग उनके लिए गेम भी था. बट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, लेकिन सबसे ज़रूरी बात यह है, इज टू बिकम नंबर वन इन द वर्ल्ड. दैट्स द ड्रीम दैट केप्ट मी गोइंग. लेकिन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, she became the number one player in the world. She was the tennis star in the 2004-5. And now she is ready to do the sacrifice today. That's the dream that keep me going. यही वो सपना है जो कि मेरे माइंड में हर वक्त चलता था. This is the story about the Maria Sharapova. That's very great, great willpower lady, and we should learn from this quality, from this personality. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.